Thank you very much, Chairman. Good afternoon. I don't know, my lecture is slightly different because till now you are listening the lectures which are more about commercial. I am a professor, scientist. Our job is to create some technologies which is useful for the society, low cost, simple, high end, and can also generate high top class publications. Here, I am giving you some of the technologies which we have developed. Maybe tomorrow they can become a good commercial product. As far as energy is concerned, for last more than 3-4 decades, I was involved in developing the technology for the solar cells. When we have developed the solar cells in the lab, when I was DRDO, at that time it was only for space quality. Our solar cells have gone as a test panel in Aryabhatta Bhaskara long back. We never thought that one day the cost will come to so low that electricity will be cheaper than your normal electricity. So apart from then, we are making so many efforts, but here I am covering two areas, technologies. One is a wastewater, we use it. Another is our water technology, which is totally based on our Indian technologies. So this is, you can see the earth is, I am taking some of this water because this earth's surface is covered with the water of 71%. Ocean holds some 97% of the saline water, and fresh water is only 3%. Out of 3%, maximum quantity is in the form of ice as groundwater. So the water available is only 1.2% fresh water, like rivers, lakes, springs, which we are. And lakes and rivers, if you see, it is only 4.9. So under this one, to meet this increasing demand, new methods have been developed for the purification of recycling of this water. So we have done some of the work like that. If you take a normal process, how we can purify this water, which is generally we are using the treatment method for drinking water, either boiling, filtration, and so many other things, chlorification. These are the normal techniques which we are using for that. Now, need for a portable, simple water purifier. This has come. A demand from our defense that when our soldiers, they are going at a high altitude, then they cannot take much load or much weight for that because this is a limitation. So can you develop a device which can purify this water, and weight is very less, they can carry with this. So with this demand, we have developed a technology which is a large number of water purifiers are available, but they need chemical, electrical purification, as you know. So this type of requirement came to us from soldiers, as I was telling. In general, they take water from the river, springs. In seeing, they are taking it as a transparent, very clear, but it is not bacterial free. So this is a very harmful bacteria is there. So with this, because a lot of efforts have been made, but we have made a very small system. A small-sized portable system with purified water is required, and it does not need your battery or electricity or anything there. So can we say pocket-friendly purifier? So under this, you can see this is a very small device. If you will see this one, this is a silver nano-embodied porous concrete. The idea which I got from there that in general we take this Ganga water here, people, they have a faith that for a long time you can preserve and there is no growth of bacteria, although it may be wrong or right. But it was at the background of our mind that how it is there. So with this concept, I have taken that there is some nanophase is meeting in the mountain or in the same sand or somewhere. So with this idea, I have generated this one. I have taken the simple concrete. We have generated the porosity. We have embedded the silver nanoparticle, and this is like a tea bag type of thing. If you take this tea bag type concrete, You shake in a glass of water for 1 minute, it will kill 100% all your microbial load. This is all bacteria will be killed. So this is a device which we have taken, but it is a long way. We have done a lot of fundamental work, but this is totally based on our own philosophy, and it is working. And I give you some results of that. That several efforts have been made to purify the water. If you put this nanomaterial into this water, a lot of people they are doing it. But if you put this nanomaterial, it can kill the bacteria, but you cannot take it out of the nanomaterial, so you cannot drink it. So we have made this is a bound stage here, and in this bound stage we have, besides increasing in applications in nanomaterials, you can use this device thousands of times. No need of doing anything. So this is a simple device. If you calculate the cost of the device, is not more than 100 rupees. So this is a system which you have developed. It can be commercialized. It can be used by the soldiers. They can keep in your pocket at the borders, at the any remote place. It doesn't require any electricity. So this is a material. Number two, we have completely analyzed that it is not leaching any material in the water. So it is highly safe for them. We should not allow to leach any nanomaterial in water. It's a bound and kill all the bacteria. Reusable, non-toxic, and it is based on our green technology. So this is a system, you can see, required. And it is simple pebbles, high density, and we generate porosity to that. And with the same technology that we are using our semiconductor devices, we have made nanomaterial with high temperature fixed into the pore permanently. And with this device, you can use many times. These pebbles have been more than 300, 500 times we have used it. And for last 3 or 4 years, we have used this type of thing. It is working well. Now you can just see the appearance of this concrete. This one is just a picture. The appearance of this concrete pebbles are there, which is embedded with the silver. This is before and this is after. They just show it slightly technical. I'm not going to detail how the pores are coming there, how they are working. So you've done a lot of work on that. And this is a light microscopic. We have taken the high magnification scanning electron micro pictures. So these are again, when silver particles are there, it has been analyzed with a very high, and this is based on all nanomaterials. You can see the models here, that it is a shake in a glass of water. You can keep in your pocket. Different models have been made. You can make a flask. We can make a bedded model. It does not require any electricity. So in this last one, you can see you just put a filters, normal filters we have available, then put the pebbles. And in a village or anywhere, it doesn't require any electricity, but it will kill every type of bacteria. And even your earthen pots at the village or your house, you can put these pebbles inside, it will work well as it is working there. So we have tested all that, and they have taken all certificates anyway there, so that to see that it is really working in the same way as you are working in the ultraviolet radiation, all that, but this concrete is working. So this is a high technology of nanomaterial based on a simple device required for the society. You can see that when we have given this idea and the device has come, this one we got a top award, which our DST, they are giving this idea of award. This is the idea, power of ideas. They have selected a very few, so we got that award. Then it was submitted to outside from Royal Academy of London. I have gone there. They are invited to receive this award. This one. So this product I am telling is ready now. That any commercialization it can be done. When we are scientists have gone to border, they have shown to the soldiers. They were saying when we can get it. It required. When Army has Defense has put a very big exhibition. They have selected top 5 items from the country, 4 from IITs and 1 was this one. So this is a simple technology but have a very wide application. This is just, I will not go the detailed, this is technical one. Number 2 technology. It is also totally based on our Indian system. We are having the waste material. Every waste this water. We have waste water. We have taken the dirtiest water, and the beauty of this system, you just in this system, you put 2 electrodes. We have made electrodes which is based on our nanotechnology. You just dip 2 electrodes and you can generate electricity. You can see that just by putting a carbon electrode, which we have designed, and another electrode, you are getting 1 volt and getting a small, bigger 100 milliampere current. And we have seen that your lamp is growing there. The beauty of this whole system, the whole analysis, that we doesn't require any material from outside to charge it, or electricity or any chemical. You just give 2 electrode, you will get electricity. So this is a top project, you can say, from the DST which we got, and we have generated this one. You can say the lamp is glowing. Another beauty of the same system is that when we are using this electricity, the water is automatically cleaned. So this is a dual process in the world. No system is like that you generate electricity without any cost there, and you can clean the water itself. When water is cleaned, your electricity will go. This is there. So we have done this one. You can see the quality of the water is there. It is acceptable. Outside this hall, you can see this water is there. It is generating electricity and cleaning the water. And the water quality, according to NMBL or standard set by Government of India, we have tested, and this one. So it is cheapest one. Even next one, we have gone that electricity generated from this one process. Even we have generated a green hydrogen. So this is a unique technology. Nowhere exists this type. So combining these 2 processes, this one, I will not go into technical details, but it is just, if you do the electrolysis, you can clean the water. But electrolysis is taking place itself here. When we are generating electricity, you are using it, when current is automatically passing from the same current. So this is giving electricity, this all chemical process, because this is based on that. Every type of ions is present in wastewater. We have taken the water from the Kalindi Kundala, dirtiest water. It will give the maximum electricity. This one, even your household water, we have taken the simple water in the university. It is also giving. Depends how much dirty it is, you will get more current, more voltage there. So this is the idea we have generated. And you can see all these lamps, they are glowing. You can see outside the hall, they have 2 lamps are there, this one. And we have seen that after cleaning the water, you can use the toilets, gardening, irrigation, and even we are giving that if you use the same electricity, you can put your RO system to convert it to this your drinking water by its own electricity, but you have to put a large bank for that. So this is a system which has been appreciated in all big exhibitions everywhere. And this you can see, the target was given to us that 1 room in our university, we should have completely lightened with this. You can see these lights all glowing in this room is from the wastewater here. And we have charged this battery bank also with this. Your battery bank is charged and you can use. So it is not dependent like solar energy in daytime, anytime you can generate electricity continuously coming. And we have also planned for a, it's not working. Can you help me? It's not moving slide, it's not this one. Yeah, you can see this one, the studies, even we have done the textile studies. So this one, textile industry, they have a wastewater. So they are not allowed to this one. So we have used the same technology and we generate electricity. You can see the water quality after cleaning with this method. So it is the lowest one, no chemical, no electricity, nothing is from outside, we are getting this output. And now we are planning, we are in a process to put an automatic with a sensor-based waste plant with this, that we have a tank of this wastewater. Automatically it will come to the different cells, because we have to put a bank to add up the voltage and current to make like solar banks. So from there, when water is cleaned, automatically sensor will give wastewater which is cleaned, it will go out, next will come. So this whole complete automatic plant is now putting. So in a day you can have a large quantity, you can scale up this method and it will give you a very, very low cost electricity, clean water, even hydrogen. Can you move it? Yeah. This is again, we have made a third technology, very shortly I will tell. We were given a target that in Kanpur, we have a lot of leather industry. Can we generate a handheld meter which can just put a few drops of water, can say how much chromium is there, because a lot of leather industry is there. So this we have made in our own, based on our own technology. This again a nanotechnology application, that you just put a few drops in this water it will give you quantify whole analysis on the screen that this is the ppm level of the chromium. And not only we have done the chromium level here in this water meter, you can have the complete analysis of that even for heavy metals. Only we have made this meter is completely software based, this one. And this meter is a software, you put, you program it for any metal, heavy metal, we can do it, so we are doing it. So we have given this technology to a firm, those now they have come into the market actually, and it is there. So just 1 minute is the quality of water. This is again, we have made a technology that when textile industry is there, they are having a very costly method to clean the dye, but we have made a pebbles again, this coated with this our special polymer developed technology. When you just pass this water, it is clean. It has also been given to the industry. It's a completely Indian-based technology. Only I will show one slide that this is agrivoltaic. How generally when we are making the solar panels or big plants, they are in the wasteland or near the all wasteland land. But we have submitted a long back a proposal to the government of India, which was selected at the top level, at Prime Minister level, 2 technologies out of 50 ideas. And this was one of them. Immediately we got the fund that instead of putting this solar panels in the wasteland, we are given a design to put into the farming land with a particular design. The question came to us from your Prime Minister level that how the shadow is going to affect the growth of the crops. This we have designed, we have done all the studies, many PhD scholars they are working. This is a solar plant of 12 kilowatt. We have started immediately in the Amity, and we have seen with a small piece of land of quarter of an acre, 10,000 rupees a farmer can earn extra than whatever he is earning from the crop. So the solar pump is also there. All these crop studies have been made, and we have given a complete simulation and modeling in which part of India you want to start. We can give a particular design. This agrivoltaic is coming very, very popular in throughout the world, and India now new policies they are going to make it to how to implement this one. So this is a few technologies which I have just told you. This is just a graph which at our university. Your so a pump is a solar pump. Then we have a hut there, and we have given analysis how much energy you are earning. So 10,000 rupees I told you they can earn in 1 day with a small piece. This is sensor based also. In farmland you can put a sensor automatically when required water it will on the pump, water pump. Just a very special cleaning system of solar panels we have designed, which has been mentioned by Pharmaper in their special document submitted to all international. They have mentioned over this water cleaning projects here. So thank you very much.